English Bites, the delicious vocabulary of meat and poultry preparation. Hello, dear learners. In today's episode, we're stepping into the flavorful world of meat and poultry preparation. We'll explore the English words and phrases commonly used when talking about preparing these foods. So, whether you are a food enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this lesson is sure to sizzle. Let's get cooking. Let's start with the basics. There are several ways to prepare meat and poultry, and each of these ways has a unique word associated with it. Roast, to cook in an oven or over a fire. Grill, to cook on a metal frame over fire. Smoke, to cure or flavor by exposing to smoke. Fry, to cook in hot fat or oil. Boil, to cook by immersing in boiling water. Each of these words can be used as a verb, the action of preparing the meat, or a noun, the resulting dish. Next, we delve deeper into the culinary world with more specific terms related to meat and poultry preparation. Marinate, to soak meat in a mixture to add flavor or tenderize. Braise, to fry lightly and then stew slowly in a closed container. Sear, to burn or scorch the surface quickly with intense heat. Stew, to cook slowly in liquid over a long period. Poach, to cook by simmering in a small amount of liquid. These words are usually used as verbs, describing the action taken to prepare the meat. Let's cut to the chase with types of meat cuts, which can often define how the meat is cooked. Steak, a slice of meat, typically beef, usually fried or grilled. Ribs, the part of the animal's rib cage used as food. Breast, the chest of the chicken, turkey, or other poultry. Leg, the lower joint of chicken, turkey, or other poultry. Wing, the arm of chicken, turkey, or other poultry, usually fried or baked. The names of these cuts can be combined with the cooking methods. For example, grilled steak or roasted chicken breast. And that wraps up our tasty tour through the vocabulary of meat and poultry preparation. Now, not only can you talk about these foods and how they're prepared in English, but you also have a few more culinary tricks up your sleeve. Remember to practice using these new words and phrases in sentences to help you remember them better. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful and has added some flavor to your English learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep enjoying English.